Hi everyone, for today's video I'll be showing you how to make a pancake. So we need self-raising flour, salt, sugar, vanilla paste, eggs, full cream milk, ricotta cheese, strawberries, a whisk, a hand mixer, 2 bowls, a piping bag, spatula. Now in 2 separate bowls, we begin by separating the egg whites and the egg yolk. After separating them, I use a hand mixer to mix the egg whites until it gets really foamy. And this is how it should look like. In another bowl with the egg yolks, add 2 tubs of the ricotta cheese. Add 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of full cream milk, and a square of vanilla paste. And begin by mixing using a whisk instead of a hand mixer for you to avoid getting messy. Then start pouring the 5 cups of self-raising flour using a whisk, and then after that use a hand mixer for a better outcome. And this is what it should look like after mixing. Next is you add the foamy egg whites and start folding using a spatula. So, since this is really full, I will have to separate the butter into 2 bowls for me to be able to fold the butter properly. This is what it looks like after folding process. I'm using a piping bag to cook the pancake. So this is the outcome of the pancake.